Welcome to Footwork 3DCast, your all-inclusive scanning and prescription application. Footwork Podiatric Laboratory is thrilled to be launching our own iPad scanning app. Footwork 3DCast has been carefully designed with input from prescribing podiatrists, laboratory staff, and structure sensor personnel to ultimately produce the most accurate of scans and the easiest prescription process possible. In this video, you'll learn how to install the application, take a high-quality foot scan, and upload your prescription directly to our online ordering portal. Start by visiting the App Store on your iPad. A list of iPads compatible with the structure sensor scanner is available on the structure sensor website. Type Footwork 3DCast in the search bar and click Get when the application appears. You'll then be prompted to provide your Apple ID credentials to complete the installation. To set up, open the application and navigate straight to the Settings tile. Here, you'll be required to enter your login details. These are the same details you use to access the Footwork ordering portal. If you work at a clinic with multiple practitioners, you don't need to log out every time a new clinician is using the app. Simply log in with one podiatrist details and you'll be able to select the prescribing podiatrist at a later time. Once these login details have been entered, hide the keyboard and note the Calibrate button down the bottom left. Calibrating your structure sensor scanner is a process we recommend completing at least fortnightly. Having a calibrated scanner ensures the most accurate scans and subsequently the highest quality orthotics. Instructions for calibration can be found on the structure website. After your login details have been completed and your scanner is calibrated, the Footwork 3DCast setup is officially complete. You're now ready to take your first scan. Open the application to the main menu and click the New Patient tile. You'll now be prompted to enter your patient's first and last name. Please ensure the spelling here is correct, as this is the name that will be pre-filled in your prescription form and ultimately 3D printed underneath the orthotic. You'll now be presented with 3 boxes, one for the left scan, one for the right scan, and a third for any images you'd like to include with your prescription. Position your patient in the prone position on your treatment chair, ensuring their foot is resting off the edge. If you are scanning the left foot, cross the right leg over the left leg to avoid capturing extra noise in your scan. Place the foot in subtalar joint neutral. This is usually achieved by allowing the foot to hang naturally, but palpating the talar heads is also recommended. Try to avoid capturing any reducible forefoot valgus or varus in your scan. This can be achieved by requesting the patient to hold their foot in the position you've placed it in for the short duration of the scan. Once you're happy with the position of the foot, you can proceed to begin scanning. A box will appear on screen to provide boundaries within which to position the foot. You'll notice red and green coloration. For best scanning results, the foot must be completely green prior to commencement of the scan. A red foot means you're either too close or too far from the foot. Move slowly forwards and or backwards until the foot is entirely green, at which point you're ready to click the scan button. We like to think of scanning like painting. Slowly rotate the scanner around the foot. As you become more proficient with the scanner, you'll become quicker at achieving a high-quality scan. You'll notice the foot begin to fill in with a grey tint. The goal is to continue painting around the foot in all directions, medial, lateral, superior, until the grey tint completely fills in the foot with no holes, jagged edges, or waviness remaining. If you're happy with how well you've painted the foot, click the same button you pressed to start the scan. You'll now be presented with a copy of the scan you've taken, which you can swivel around to determine whether you're satisfied with its accuracy. From here, you're free to retake the scan if you wish, or save and proceed to the next foot. After the left and right scans have both been taken, the option remains to attach a photo that may assist us with orthotic manufacture. This isn't compulsory, but can be useful when the prescription requires a unique pad or a specific shape. We're now ready to complete our prescription. Navigate to the Web Portal button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this button will redirect you to our online ordering portal, using the credentials we entered into the Footwork 3DCast application earlier. From here, click New Order, Custom Orthotic. You'll notice the patient name is pre-filled with the patient details you entered on the app prior to taking the scan. For those clinics with multiple practitioners, now is the time to select the prescribing podiatrist. At the top right-hand corner, ensure the correct box has been selected and use the drop-down box to select the clinician. Continue to enter your prescription variables. As you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll notice that the scans have been automatically uploaded to the designated field on the script, along with any images that were taken within the Footwork 3DCast app. Select your preferred dispatch date as usual and complete your prescription. We hope you found this video educational and welcome any questions you might have. Feel free to contact the lab at info@footwork.com.au.